This is Mr. Rob here with a quick video on how to sign into your Edutyping account. So the first thing you want to do is start from our home page in Canvas, and then from there you'll go to our links page here. Click on the Edutyping link. Once you click that link, it's going to take you to the Edutyping home page, and then from there you'll simply click on Sign In with Google. Once you click on Sign In with Google, it will give you the option to choose your name from the Choose an Account. I'll choose my daughter here, and then I will enter in password. So you'll enter your password here. Once you enter in your password, you click Next. And then from there, it should ask you to save that password and then load you into the Edutyping home screen. From there, it's going to take you to your Edutyping page here. From there, you'll click on Learn to Type, and then you will start. Now, if you'll notice, it should have your name here in the top right corner, and it should have your account accessibility options here. It will show your speed here, your average here, and then the time spent in this particular tab here. So again, the first place you want to start is on the Learning to Type tab, and then start with the very first option here. So if you will look, you'll see that they're all numbered 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth as you scroll down the page. And then navigating should be as simple as, once you complete these lessons, you'll then move on to the next one over here under the tabs here. So after you completing all the Learning to Type, you'll go on to Computer Basics and then go through these lessons and so on and so forth. After you complete those first two, you'll move into the lettering, symbols, and things of that nature, and it will give you all of the different practices and how you'll practice the keys and the reaches. I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message via Canvas chat, and I'll help you guys through it. Or if we're in Zoom, you can send me a message in the Zoom chat. Thanks again. Have a good day. Peace.